Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both devices must have Airdrop set to contacts only or everyone, and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi turned on. Once done, open the app you want to share and find its share or export action. That triggers the system share sheet. Make sure the app content is eligible to share. Some system pages can't be sent. If you're in a folder view, open the specific item so the share action targets the correct file or link. With the share sheet visible, tap the AirDrop icon. Nearby devices appear as circular icons. Once you see the intended recipient, tap their name or device image to initiate the transfer. This sends the app link, file, or applicable item via AirDrop. If the other person doesn't appear, set both devices to everyone briefly to ensure discovery, then revert privacy. Keep devices unlocked and awake during transfer so the handshake completes without interruption. You'll see a progress indicator on screen. On the receiving device, tap Accept when the AirDrop prompt appears, then choose the appropriate app to open or location to save the item. Links open in the App Store or browser, while files go to the default app. After acceptance, verify the content works. Open the app link or launch the received file. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle AirDrop or Bluetooth off and on, ensure both devices are unlocked and within range, then retry. That simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.